What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Now, this ain't what I normally do. This isn't a music reaction. This is Burger King. Versus, well, Popeyes. There we go. Boom. Let's see if I... There it is. There it is. So, actually, move this out the way so I can get a good picture. Actually, you know what? You know what? Let me go ahead and do this. We got boom. 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 But I got two of them. So what's up now? So we got right here. Here we go. Here we go. This is gonna be it right here. This is gonna be it right here. Oh, son. There it is. I'm gonna stand this up a little better. Let me turn it where you can see the name. Bam, look at that. Popeyes, Burger King, spicy chicken sandwich. So, let's go ahead and put one. Well, make sure I got the good picture. Yeah, pause it for a second. There we go. Alright. So put one up. Put it to the side. Gonna put one up. Which also got some Burger King fries. Because they're my favorite fries. So. No, I dropped one. But we'll visit that in a minute. Alright, so let's start off with the price. Okay, so I got two spicy chickens and I got two spicy chicken sandwiches. Two spicy chickens from Burger King cost $9.58. Two spicy chicken sandwiches from Popeyes cost $8.98. So it's a little bit cheaper to go Popeyes, but less than $1. So it's not. That's for two of them. So that means they're, I guess, what, about 50-cent difference or $1? I don't know the math. Whatever. So. But yeah, so $8.98 and $9.58. So let's get rid of them. I also didn't get drinks because they'd be watered down, so I just got me old Walmart Sam's Cola. So let's get these suckers out. Popeyes. Look at her. Look at her. Good off. And then we got Burger King. Alright. So Popeyes feels bigger. Is it though? Is it bigger? So let's see what we got. Popeyes. We got 3 pickles just stacked. I don't know why. So that's weird. So let's spread that out a little bit. So we can get a pickle on each bite. So now, ooh, that's spicy. I can feel it in my throat already. The chicken is a pretty large piece of chicken. And they give a decent amount of sauce. Only on the top bun. Nope, they got some on bottom too. Less, way less on bottom. Alright, say Burger King. 2 pickles. 2 big old pickles. Less sauce, it looks like. A little less sauce. Well, no, they do top and bottom, so it might be about equal. But by comparison, size of the chicken, they're pretty close, but I think Popeyes is just a little bit bigger. So, I'm gonna not wiping it on my pants. Get a napkin like a normal human being. Alright. And by the way, you're welcome. Because normally when I eat, actually every time I eat, I watch something on TV. So I'm not watching anything, and I'm just talking to you guys. So, let's close that bad boy up. Let's close that bad boy up. Now I'm going to do a bite at a time. Obviously, I'm not, you know what I mean. But I'm going to switch it back and forth. So, let's go. Popeyes. Take one bite. I'm going to go with the big side. Just in case you guys want a close up, let me bring my table so you can see a good close up. Alright. Here we go. Pretty good. It has a sweetness to it. There's not really a crunch though. There's not really a crunch. You want a crunch. I want a crunch. See, so let's get a little closer, see if you can hear a crunch. Not much. The spice level, I don't like really spicy things. I like mildly spicy things. And it's not all that spicy. I would give it like a 4 or 5 from spice level. So let me get a couple fries so I can go over to this guy. The fries, I love fries, but it's more of a palate cleanser, is why I got them, mainly. So it would be easier to compare. Try and move a little closer, you guys, or you can still see. All right. So now, let me go with the Burger King. Take a bite of it. Go with the thicker side. Here. Oh, that's got a crunch. Okay, first off, that sweet taste isn't there at Burger King's. Let's see how that crunch is. Let me get... It has a little more crunch. So if you're all about that crunch, I think Burger King has the crunch. Spice level. I don't know. Let me pull my fries here. Alright, so let me try this. Let me try just chicken versus chicken. That's some good chicken. That is some daggum good chicken. Alright, now we got this piece hanging off the back I can pull off here. Let's try this. See, there's something in their breading that makes it... Popeyes has something that makes it like a sweet taste. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely there. But I think, hang on, let me do sauce versus sauce. Chicken versus chicken, I think I'm liking Burger King better. Let's try sauce versus sauce. Popeyes. That's spicy. That is spicy. Now Burger King. Not as spicy. So Popeyes is spicier and sweeter. But I would have to say Burger King is more your classic chicken taste. This one's different. Popeyes is different. Burger King is like just kind of what you would expect. Which I think I like better than the sweet. So Now let me try pickle. All right. Burger King has the sweet pickles. Popeyes does not. So all the sweetness is coming from the chicken, which is probably why they didn't go with the sweet pickles, because they had enough of the chicken. So that means, yeah, whatever seasonings is in this is making it sweet tasting. This one is more savory, and they added the little bit of sweet with the pickles, which I feel like is just enough sweet for me personally. So, spicier, sweeter. Yeah, spicier, sweeter. Uh, Milder, crunchier, savorier, whatever that word is. But they got me sweating, especially because I got the air off, so it don't pick up on the camera or microphone right here. This fella. All right, so now let me just eat at them. Now see, their inside looks better, so I don't know what that means, but so let's work on this guy. Yes, it's kind of spicy, and it's the mouth spice. It's not the back of the throat spice. It's the tongue and the mouth heat. Squeezed me. All right, had a few bites of that. I'm gonna go back to this one. They're both really good though. So I really can't complain either way. Now, see, Popeyes is bigger and cheaper, spicier, sweeter. But this one, I think, tastes better. Oh, my TV cut off. Or no. Okay, no, that my computer tried to go to sleep 20 minutes without touching it. So, yeah, cheaper, sweeter, spicier, bigger, but savorier, crunchier, better, I think. I think I do like the Burger King better. And I think the only reason is because whatever they do to make this sweeter, they have that taste. Whatever that taste is, although it's good, I think it would be better without it. But that's the taste that makes Popeyes stand out and be different. So, yeah, but that's a clean looking chicken sandwich. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I think so 1 to 10. I'm not going to give a 10 because I'm going to reserve that because there could be somebody that beats them both. So, I will give Burger King an 8. And it's pretty close, but I'm going to give Popeyes a 7. So a 7 out of 10 for Popeyes, 8 out of 10 for Burger King. The original spicy chicken sandwich from Burger King kind of sucked. It was that little nothing. But they hit something with this one. They have finally in competition and possibly won. It's the breading or the seasoning that they do on Popeyes that I think you could get tired of it. Like if this is all you eat or this is all you eat, I think you get tired of this one first before that one. Yeah. That's my final verdict. Yeah, whenever I think about a Popeyes, I'm just like, okay, it's pretty good. But then when I go back to Burger King, I'm like, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like Popeyes is your ex-girlfriend that you dated for a while, and you thought you was in love, and you know you was, or you thought whatever, but then y'all broke up or whatever. She left you, and then you met this girl, and then you realize it all along you really didn't love this girl as much as you thought. because this one is just everything it could be and better. Yeah, that's how I feel. Totally. Really? Yeah, really. Okay. Sorry about that. It's the spice. Ooh-wee. Son, got me sweating too over here. Woo, nose running. Man. For those of you that don't know, it's difficult to eat with a beard and mustache. Unless you really keep it trimmed, which, as you know, I just kind of wild man it. I'm going to get it trimmed, but not yet. Yeah, so I'm going to knock this out. So let me guys, no, guys, let me know down below which one you like better. Or does somebody make one that beats both of these in your opinion? Maybe you like the McDonald's one. Maybe you like the KFC one. Maybe you like Chick-fil-A one better. Maybe you like one that I don't even know of. Let me know. By the way, I'm eating this one first because I like this one better, so I'm saving it for last. Now, I got to a piece thinking I'd be, thinking I could eat them both, or all four, but after these two, I was wrong. That's just going to be for later. So those of you watching today, Friday, who's watching the UFC tomorrow? Anybody, any UFC fans on my channel? We got Oliveira versus Chandler. That's gonna be a good one. I mean, not Chandler. Oliveira versus Gaethje. My bad. Ferguson versus Chandler. The spice done got my mind going crazy. I think Gaethje takes the title from Oliveira. And I think Michael Chandler gets through Tony Ferg. Those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, just ignore me. I do like the pickles on this Popeyes better because I prefer regular pickles over sweet pickles. Boom. Gone. Popeyes is in the bag. Beep. Bring me out a few more fries, because I got me 2 fries. Surprise, 2 fries. By the way, thank you, Meg. You're the reason I was able to do this today. Me and my girlfriend have been wondering, and she actually told me to ask, so when are you going to adopt us? Because we're ready. You know what I'm saying? We're ready to move out. We've been trying to get out of this place that we're at anyway. Oh, but in all seriousness, so I got another question popped in my head. Anybody watching the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial? That girl's crazy. Yes, I am a Johnny Depp fan, but she's crazy. Nothing she has said has made sense. Or nothing anybody on their team has said has made sense. They're saying one thing, but then there's evidence saying the exact opposite. And everything Johnny has said has been very consistent with the first day that he ever said anything. His story's never changed. He's always had backup or proof, depending on what he said. So, I think she really thought that she was going to pull one over on him, and I think it backfired, or is going to backfire. Yeah, I like Burger King better. I do. It may cost a little bit more, but like I said, it's not by much. It's not less than $1. But I think that extra dollar's worth it. Or that little less than $1. But I think it'd be worth $1 even. And guys and gals and everything in between, let me know what else to do. You know, I want to do something besides reaction videos. I'm trying to change it up because the music reactions are getting hard because everything's getting copywritten. It's hard for me to post anything. So I pretty much have to go do my Patreon, which I currently only have one of you on there. You know who you are, Meg. But like I got, watching Predator, I got that on there because I'd never seen Predator before. So if you're interested in that, go check out my Patreon. The link will be down below and at the end of this video. On the screen somewhere here, I think. There it is. Popeyes versus Burger King. It's complete. Man. Regardless, though, that was awesome. Regardless. So, there you have it. I choose Burger King. 8 out of 10. Popeyes 7 out of 10. And that's how I vote it. But some of you might like that little sweet taste that's in their spice or in their breading, but I prefer it the other old classic way. So, let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. It lets you know when I'm bringing the heat or the spice. And follow me on everything in the description, or click the Patreon here, I think. It'll be there in a second if it's not there now. But let me know what else to do. We're going to see some more food stuff, some more music stuff, movies. You want me to compare Burger King versus something now? Let me know what you guys like. Like, I work part-time at a magic shop, Magic the Gathering, and we open boosters. Like, that was in my my thing to vote for. As you see, I'll play guitar, tutorials, whatever. Just let me know. Let me know what you guys enjoy. I enjoy just making videos. So, I literally, whatever. It's just hard to do the music reactions and the movie reactions because they get struck instantly. And they either get demonetized or just you can't watch them at all. So it's rough. Very rough. But yeah, so like I said, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the video. Let me know which sandwich you like better. And follow me on everything in the description. And I will see y'all on the next video. Peace.